FFW, come on. Alright, another one.
Northeastern Middlesex County, southeastern Morris County, eastern Somerset County, until 9:45 p.m.
Okay.
At 5:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.
Oh, possible tornado is VR? How? There's not even a tornado risk. State College, what the heck are you doing now?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Well, I guess State College is preparing for something. There's not even a 2% of tornadoes.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other streets and airlines.
Some locations that may experience flash
WXM60? Oh yeah, it is for, yeah, it's on WXM60. It's for New Brunswick. Come on. Here it is. WXM60.
Use the higher ground now. To protect your life. Be aware of your surroundings and do not go in front of the roads. Please report to the recording and ensure that the full law enforcement is information to the National Weather Service when you can
to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.